While lifting is very much part of every job, manual lifting, however, is a source of many injuries. Whether it's lifting a piece of paper or loads of boxes, it's pretty common to lift items at work. And because it's something we do regularly, we sometimes strain a muscle, or worse, hurt our backs without knowing the exact reason behind it. In construction, despite having tons of machinery, tools, and equipment, whether you like it or not, manual labor is still needed to get most of the work done. And when we say manual labor, lifting is on the top of the list. Lifting incorrectly can result in a wide variety of damages. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, over 1 million workers in the construction industry experience back injuries every year. Overexertion and cumulative trauma were considered the biggest factors in these injuries. That's why we strongly recommend workers to use smart lifting practices. Preparation, lifting, carrying, and settling down. Preparation. Before lifting or carrying anything, you need to plan your lift. Ask yourself, is it safe to lift or not? Determine whether or not it's safe to lift a particular object on your own. The heavier objects are, the greater stress they could put on your muscles and vertebrae. When things are clear, just like athletes, you also need to warm up your back and legs before lifting anything. This will reduce the risk of injury and will properly prepare your body for work. You can do a low back rotation stretch first as your warm-up to reduce the tension in muscles supporting the spine, and standing Achilles stretch to warm up the lower parts of your body. Once you're done warming up, before going to the next step of the process, keep these in mind. When possible, use lift assists such as forklift, dolly, cart, pan, truck, or hoist to support heavy items. Try breaking the load into smaller parts if possible. Lessen the distance between yourself and the objects. Do not try to overreach. Know your route. Clear your path of obstructions, if any. Are there any debris along the way, slippery areas, stairs, overhangs, closed doors, or uneven surfaces? Wear proper protective equipment if necessary, such as gloves, footwear, etc. When lifting, get as close to the load as possible. Try to keep your elbows and arms close to your body. Keep your back straight during the lift by tightening the stomach muscles, bending at the knees, keeping the load close and centered in front of you, and looking up and ahead. Get help when needed. If the object is too heavy and lift assists are not available, you can utilize 2 or more people to lift. Make sure you guys lift at the same time and keep the load level balanced. Next is carrying. Never turn or twist your body while carrying the item. Let your feet do the work. Always remember that your knees, toes, hips, and shoulders should stay facing in the same direction. If you feel uncomfortable or a bit fatigued, set the load down and rest for a few minutes. Remember how you lift the item? Just do it in reverse when settling down. Bend the knees, not the hips. Always keep your head up with your stomach muscles tight. Again, do not twist your body. Wait until the load is secure before releasing the item. Most of the time, workers experience injuries from lifting due to either improper instructions, poor equipment, insufficient manpower, or unsafe environment. But of course, we always got your back. So make sure you strictly follow all the safe lifting techniques we provide to prevent severe injuries or chronic pain. Because with just one wrong move, you could be out of work for days, weeks, or even worse.